All right, guys, today we have a super special video for you today. It is an arrival of my dream car. By the flag behind me, you can probably tell what it is. You'll also see it in the title below. But yeah, so right now I'm waiting for one of my buddies to come pick me up, and then we're gonna get it. So I'll see you soon. All right, so we are pulling in to the parking lot where the car is being delivered to.
Boy, there it is.
And we see it. So we got Blake, we got Dylan taking us in his 335. All right, fuckers, you want to see the M2? We're here. Oh, it's just hard. All right, guys, as you can see, it's gotten dark since last took a video, but the M2's off the truck. It's been about an hour since I've had it, and signed all the paperwork, got it all done. Had to inspect it, obviously, because when it was shipped from Florida, so when you do that, you have to sign off on it when it gets off the truck. But yeah, obviously, here she is. So yeah, so guys, coming will be a review of the actual car in the next couple weeks. We're gonna do installs for a downpipe, intercooler. We're probably gonna go full bolt-on with it. We're gonna tune it stage 1 right away for the next couple days with boot mode. There'll be a video on that as well, and then eventually, probably within the next 2 weeks, maybe 3, we'll go stage 2 on it. I just need to get the charge pipe installed. For those of you who know, these N55 motors and the 335s, the M2s, everything they're in, pretty much when you put a lot of boost through them, they tend to explode or break from the factory. Unfortunately, there's no thing that I know of that BMW comps them. So the car's still under warranty, but obviously that will not last long. This is Blake's 335 right here. That is full bolt-on stage 2 with boot mode. Makes about 400 of the wheel. Then he's gonna do a big turbo E85. He's probably gonna do the whole 9. So yeah, so currently it has the M Sport exhaust on it. Unfortunately, I didn't know, but the batteries are dead in the remote to open the valves. So the exhaust sounds good already. I'm sure all of you that have heard it already know it's pretty expensive exhaust. It's really nice from BMW. So yeah, so Blake and my buddy Dylan, that's with him too, are inside Walmart trying to get the batteries for this little tiny remote. They're the flat ones. I think they're 170 watt or something like that. But yeah, so once they get those batteries, we're gonna throw it in the remote. We're gonna tap the valves open, and we're gonna see what this thing really sounds like. So I'm really excited. All right, what's going on, guys? It is now Thursday, so I've had the car for an entire day. I got super impatient, and we decided to actually tune the car to stage 1 and did a couple cosmetic modifications to the car. We did a rear spoiler, and we did a blackout badge with the M2 badge. Wasn't feeling the chrome and silver, so we got rid of that. Got rid of the stock spoiler that some of the M2s tend to come with, that I just don't like. It just doesn't stand out at all. It's body color, it's boring. So I had a carbon fiber one, and we put that on last night. Unfortunately, we didn't get any installs of those, but it's super easy. Those are people who do it. No, obviously you have to use a heat gun or a hair dryer or something like that to obviously get the adhesive warmed up. If you're in a cold climate like I am, you know, it's in the middle of December, so it's pretty chilly out, so you have to do that. And then you use basically fishing wire and pick it up like that, basically get behind it and pull it off. So super easy. Only took a couple hours to actually do it. Unfortunately, the adhesive on the original spoiler was super difficult to take off. So that alone took the longest part. Actually installing them, you know, 5-10 minutes, nothing crazy. But yeah, so the car is now in stage 1, and yes, that means I had it for 4 to 6 hours, and then it got tuned to stage 1. Obviously, stock internals, so stock charge pipe is on there. Yes, it is tuned with boot mode. Yes, they do say that stage 1 is for stock internals, but I am also kind of just waiting for the charge pipe to blow. I'm really not taking traction control off, just because I think the second it breaks traction, the boost will build and it will probably explode or break, like they're known to do on the N55. But yeah, so just a little recap. We did do a, after we tuned it, we did do an exhaust clip, so we will put that in here. So guys, in closing, there's going to be a hell of a lot more content to come. If you enjoyed this first video, definitely I suggest to subscribe, obviously. There's going to be a lot more content coming out. I'm probably going to end up doing a catless downpipe, intercooler, make the car stage 2 to just obviously make better numbers, because stage 1 is definitely faster, but not as fast as I would have thought it would have made it. So guys, if you like the video, be sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below what's your favorite car in our fleet, the M2, the F30 335, or the G30 M550. And ask us questions about the cars, ask us what we're going to do. We'd love to answer some questions. Follow us on TikTok and on Instagram at Boston BMWs, and we'll catch you next time.